Morning everyone. A happy Dasara to you all. So today is Vijayadashami. Today we are going to another trip to Goa. So it is like a family reunion. We are totally four families. We are coming from different places. One family is coming from Pune, another family is coming from Gurgaon, another family is coming from Guwahati, and we are another family going from Bengaluru. So Goa will take about 10 or 11 hours from here. Now it is about 5:10 in the morning. So it is about 588 kilometers. I'll show you the condition of the road and thank you.
शामें मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए कल पे सवाल है जीना फिलहाल है खाना बदोशियों पे ही जा
Small tea break. We did almost 130, 140 kilometers. So for a small tea break we stopped. Another 457 some kilometers are there. Kilometers. We have stopped for a breakfast break. So from here it is about 287 kilometers. We have stopped for a small sugarcane break. So from here it is only about 140 kilometers. We are very tired actually now. So we got down to drink some sugarcane juice. Now we stopped there for another small break. So now the hotel is only about 2 to 3 kilometers and it is raining like anything. You should see the rain. I'll put the footage of the rain too. Eat anything for lunch at the Goa border. They were checking, so we couldn't eat anything for lunch. So now we are heading back to the hotel. We finally reached to the resort. As you can see, the outer view looks good. This is the parking. Swimming pool. Resort looks good from outside. Looking at the room, I didn't feel like giving you a room tour because the room is not so good. So we are going to transfer to another room which is of the pool view. I'll give a room tour of that room. Let me give you the room tour. We are staying in the room number 103. A mirror cum cupboard. Some storage space for your baggages. A large bed. And we have got the swimming pool view. So overall it's a good room. Our family has reached. I had told you 3 families from other states. So they have reached now. Day 1 vlog. Meet you tomorrow at day 2. Everyone, welcome back to day 2 vlog. So now the plan is to go to the beach. It is morning about 7:45. Now we'll go to the beach, and the room is not good at all. Actually, I'll say you afterwards what was the problem. We'll have the breakfast and we'll go to the beach. Breakfast buffet system is there, so it's good. To the beautiful Baga beach. As you can see, the beach is so beautiful. But if you remember that Pondicherry beach, it was not good. This beach is much better. Enjoy the video. Clean beach. It is not like that Pondicherry dirty beach. It is a very clean beach. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. Now we are going to have lunch. Late actually, but we'll have lunch now, and evening we'll do some sightseeing. Like we'll go to some beach, I'll show you the restaurant where we will have lunch. With the lunch, and now we are going to do some shopping. After that we'll go to the another beach as known as Candolim Beach. The lunch was good. We ate at the Mikey's place. It is at Candolim, just beside our hotel. The food was good. After getting out from swimming pool, after taking some rest, we are going to the beach, the Candolim Beach. We are going to the Candolim Beach. To the Candolim Beach, as you can see.
तुम्हारे पास मैडम तुम सही आया तो करना नहीं कुछ भी बता रहा हूँ वो
नहीं अब तो आपने बंद कर दिया पाएगा नहीं रुको रुको
I don't know if you can see the tides. Finished our dinner over here at this restaurant. So now we are going back to the room because it's already 11:32. So this is the end of day 2 vlog. We'll meet you tomorrow, day 3. Thank you.